Hello again and welcome back. I'm Saeed, a DevOps engineer and a certified Kubernetes enthusiast. You can find me right here on this YouTube channel. Follow me on X at SaeedF0 and LinkedIn as Saeed. All of the links will be down below. So here on question 7, it's all about Seccomp. So we've got a pod in the given path, right? And the pod isn't running as there's something wrong with it. So we've got a custom Seccomp profile located in this path to ensure that the pod makes use of limited syscalls to the Linux kernel. It appears that the profile doesn't have the read and write syscalls, so let's look at that first. Let's have a look at the profile. Oh, excuse me, didn't copy to clipboard for some reason. There we go. So we've got a read lin cat, but we haven't got the type of read we're looking for. Have we got a write? We've got a write v, but we haven't got a write in there. So right, let's introduce those in our profile. So we'll kick it off with a read, and then we'll get a write in there as well. We'll save that, and then we'll cat it. Grep for a read. Yep, we've got a read in there. We've got the write in there. We've got the write in there as well. Lovely. Now let's make use of that profile if it hasn't already been used. Let's see if this pod manifest is using that profile. Nope, I can't see any. Yeah, definitely no Seccomp going on in there. So we're gonna head over to the documentation. We're gonna search Seccomp, find out how it's being used. So if we scroll down, there we go. Around the spec, in the same scope as containers, we need to get that down there. Lovely. Cool. So here we've got var lib kubelet seccomp profiles, right? I think, yeah, that's the standard. Yeah, it looks like it's the standard, I guess. So, and on our end, we've got var lib kubelet seccomp and then straight into the custom profile. So before we do anything, right, let's change that. We need to have a profiles folder because that's where it's pointing to. So let's cd into this path here and we'll make a profiles folder and we'll move the custom into profile. There we go. So if we cd into profiles now, we should have the custom. Love that. Cool. So now we're gonna go back to our pod manifest. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the Omega pod and we're gonna just set the correct JSON file in the second profile, which is our custom profile.json. So if we paste that there and we'll save that there, let's quickly validate that. We've got to check if the pod's running in a moment. Pod, we've got to create that. Omega pod already exists. Okay, delete that Omega pod. Probably hit force and grace period, but slipped my mind. I'll take a swig of this coffee though. Excuse me. Yeah, we'll give that a minute to just delete and then we'll recreate it. Yeah, this is polite reminder to, yeah, be sure to use the flags force and grace period if you like to delete your pods quicker. In that case, I forgot. So, yeah, here we are anyway. Cool, so we've got the pod created. Okay, let's actually get pods in that Omega namespace. We've got the Omega app, it's running. Now we need to just validate one final thing, making sure that it's running using this correct Seccomp profile. So we're gonna open it up in the YAML format. And what we're looking for is we're looking to grep Seccomp profile. Okay. So we want to hit capital 5. There we go. It looks like it is using the correct profile because we've got our custom profile right there. Well, that's that. Pod's running. Pod is using the correct Seccomp profile, and the Seccomp profile definitely does allow read and write syscalls. And that concludes question 7.